Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make passive income from multiple income streams. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to make passive income from multiple streams of income. But the very first thing that you need to do with that is that passive income, as I said in multiple videos before in the past, is not something that's just going to fall into your bank account with you doing absolutely nothing. That doesn't exist. If you're looking for that, I'm sorry to tell you that, but this does not exist, and you can keep looking all over the internet and not find a single way and probably get scammed multiple times. But if you do want to make passive income, this absolutely works. Passive income is where you put in the work upfront once and then you start getting, paid after that. It's not something that's tied to time. It's not like making money with like building websites for clients, for example, because that is active income. That's where you put in the work, you get paid, and then you have to put in the work again and get paid again. Passive income, you put in the work once and then you get paid over and over and over again with you doing not much more. And if you want to get paid more, then you start all over again. So, now that that's clear, hopefully, let's start with the one thing that you want to do at first. The one thing is your main source of income. What do you want to do at first? So, you have to build your brand. Maybe for me, for example, I do YouTube. Like, YouTube is my personal brand. You can do Instagram, you can do blogging, you can do like all sorts of different things. But YouTube channel is probably the best one because that's like showing people like your face, how you look, how you talk, and what you stand for. And this is very important, that last point that I just said. What do you stand for? I stand for making money online and passive income. How to make money online. All that stuff. But maybe you're in something completely different. You'll never see me talking about something that's completely irrelevant, like cooking, for example. Or like maybe I could make a cooking channel, but I will never talk about cooking on this channel, apart from like, example that, like I've used before. But like, always remember what you stand for. That's very important. Maybe you're into, getting in shape, gaining some muscle. Maybe you're into losing weight. Maybe you're into cooking, as I said, or, looking after dogs or educating dogs. And, all sorts of different things. But remember to stand for one single thing, because that's going to be very relevant for what I'm going to talk about later in this video. So, you're going to build an audience and sell a product. So build an audience, like I said, around the subject that you know about, or at least that you're interested in, because as I say a lot of different times, you will learn along the way. Like when you start a YouTube channel, you will have to do some research and learn about some different things. So you're going to sell a product, and this can be so many different things. Like some people make ebooks. I've seen people make like tens of thousands of dollars without even being monetized on YouTube at first. So you can make an ebook, you can make a course, you can do affiliate marketing, and all you have to do is find out what your actual audience wants. What are they searching for? What are their problems? And you're going to solve that problem by selling them something. Maybe it's an affiliate product. Maybe it's a product that you do. Like what I sell is something that people need if they want to make money online, which is called Builderall. Like they don't need Builderall, but they do need a software that's going to do that. And that software, unless you're willing to spend like a lot of money, Builderall is the way to go. Like, this is the only issue. And by the way, if you're interested in that, click on the link below, and that's, you know, very cheap because it does everything that you want. It's, you know, you can do email marketing, you can do, you know, funnels, you can do, like, there's some courses on there, there's like anything that you can think of is on ClickFunnels, so you can do that. So this is an example of what people need. This is going to be your first thing. Maybe it's going to be a course, maybe that you just put together, like, it really depends. But say that you start with a course. This is going to be your first source of income. But maybe you know that people need an autoresponder, so you're going to do something else, which is, you know, promoting, you know, Builderall again. Like people do need an autoresponder, so maybe it's that. But maybe you're in a completely different niche. Maybe they don't need, like, to do that. Like, your audience doesn't need an autoresponder if they're trying to lose weight. That doesn't make sense. So try and do something that's relevant, because that's why I talked about building a brand and what you stand for, because all the streams of income that I'm talking about are in the same niche. Because you're going to build a course, sell that course, people need an autoresponder, they need an autoresponder, you know, and then maybe they need something else, and all of that is going to tie into what your brand is about. So remember to always find some different ways, and you can look at, like, all over the internet, people are building multiple streams of income, but this is from like one single thing, because if you're trying to spread all over the place, it doesn't work. Like, you know, maybe it will after a while, but, you know, Amazon is trying to sell things online, but they're never trying to sell software, for example, and even, like, they're really big. Google, they buy YouTube, they buy things like that, because these are search engines. You know, Facebook, they buy Instagram and things like that, because, you know, that's what they're about. So they're trying to build social media and they're trying to connect people. And you always have to have that mindset, because if you're trying to spread all over the place, it doesn't work. But if you get multiple streams of income, that is how you're going to actually build, like, multiple streams and actually make it work, with, like, not being it like starting from zero all over again. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.